Look at the puppies. Puppies, puppies. In the snow. Sadie, are you eating snow? Good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you like the best about the snow, Ara?
I like it because I eat it.
Oh, yeah? Yay! All right, say Happy Snow Day.
Happy Snow Day, Nana Bee.
Yay! Brr. That makes me so cold to watch them wrestle. Yeah, throw. Oh.
This is gonna be a big one. Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Hello, Sadie. Grace, what are you doing? Oh, you got some shoes on. Grace, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
What is out here? What is this stuff? Can you say snow?
No.
Yeah, lots of snow.
Wait, you want me to throw this at you?
No, no, she doesn't have a coat on. Can you blow a kiss to Nana Bee? Grace? Grace? Oh, you're too busy looking at the snow. Say hi, Nana Bee. All right, let's see what TJ's doing on this snow day. Oh, Sawyer was eating. Oh, buried his nose in. Munch, munch, munch. All right, let's see what TJ's doing on this snow day. What are you doing, TJ? Say hi to Nana Bee.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
All right. Have a great day.